Welcome to day trading stock options. Okay, I'm getting feedback.
You sound good over here.
Okay. Huh. Yeah, no, I'm getting feedback. So I don't know if it's me or if it's you. Just a second, I'm going to put my headset on.
Sure.
It's weird that we get it when it's...
And an evil person would tell you that
whatever you
it's
said a minute ago, I didn't hear. What was that?
I was just trying to mess with your brain.
Oh, I see. It's funny, we were talking before we go on the air. Sounds great. And as soon as we record, I'm hearing myself over and over again. So, all right. So we're going to start now, everybody.
Yes, and this is today.
Welcome, everyone. We're going to be talking about day trading stock options on March 19th, 2015. I'm Scott Patton. Joining us as usual is Alan Maxwell. We're going to be looking at our philosophy of 10% in 10 minutes. Figure out if you made 10% on your investment 4 times a week, where you'd be in a year if you were consistent, or even if where you'd be in like 40 weeks. Pretty amazing, which little bit every day will do. And it's not hard, but you have to look out for fear and you have to look out for greed. And we're going to be taking a look today at some opportunities that the market presented itself. So take it away, Alan.
Yeah, thanks, Scott. Thursday, March 19th, 2015. Yesterday was FOMC day. We'll explain that elsewhere, but that's where the market often takes a big jump, and then the next day it's a little bit wobbly, as it's like, what was that? It's like the drunk walk after the party. So we did find some decent trades that fit the rules. We had a little bit of caution going on, but we were ready to trade. So the first one was SWKS, and as you can see, it fit our rules here. And so let's just see. I hit the buy call already. And so we're going forward 1 minute, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm waiting for it to break above here. 6, and it does. And it keeps going, but we just want to get paid. So that was that one. And the next one, which happened right the next minute, was this one, where it was jitter-jattery before in the morning, but at this point it was big enough and it crept over the other things that it was a good one. So I hit the buy on the call, and here we go. 1 minute, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's all I wanted, was just that bit of a gain. And the last one we're going to look at is happened after 10, and this one it's behaving the way I like it. It was showing itself properly, so I hit the buy on the call. Here's 1 minute. Oh, 1 minute. Yes, it can happen that way. Well, I didn't get in. What happens next? Well, it keeps going for a while yet, but I don't care. So if you were a little bit late on that one, you still could have made profit if you didn't get in quite fast enough, because that one was running. So I'll just back that up and say I got out there. So our summary for the day is SWKS 937. We were in there for 6 minutes, 13%. BABA was 5 minutes, 10%. And United Airlines, Continental, was only 1 minute. And if you were a little slow on the trigger finger, that's okay. You still would have made your 10%.
Wonderful, Alan. Thank you. So obviously this is not a trading, this is a trading session. We just want to show you that it is possible and possible and possible. If you look up at the top right corner or the bottom right corner, sometimes it sort of moves around on us, is a subscribe button, and you will be notified every time we come up with a new video, and we're putting these videos out pretty much every day. And all we want to do is show you that, hey, in a very short period of time, 10 minutes usually or less, you can make 10% on your money. And once you believe that, the next question is, how. And that's where the training comes in. If you go to www.wavesofprofit.com, we have a link there to our introductory options course, which we have on Udemy. We're developing a more advanced course there as well, and there is information on www.wavesofprofit.com on how you can access a trial version of this software and play around with it yourself. However, truth be told, you need a little bit of training, and you need to understand how your mind works in order to be successful, which I guess is true of any endeavor. So we don't really suggest that you just get the program and try to figure out what it is, because it's just a bunch of different colors and lines going in different directions most of the time. You need to have someone to guide you through it, and that's what Alan and I plan on doing with our courses and with our coaching. So thank you very much for joining us, everybody, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.